Welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today, we are going to draw and color a rainbow Rubik's Cube. Let's start drawing. At first, I'm going to draw a 3D cube. Then I divide every side into 3 parts, horizontally and then vertically. Now we have 9 small squares on each side. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am going to use the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, blue, purple, and so on. At first, I'm going to use red. I color 1 square on each side. Now I use orange. I continue with yellow. I'm going to use this light green now. Then some sky blue. Now I add some purple. Ooh, it's so nice! I continue with fuchsia. A little aqua blue. And finally, some dark green. Wow, it looks so colorful! If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.